I have to sneeze too.
Pretty far. You got to get it up in there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's as far as it's going.
All right, keep twisting it. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 13 1,000, 14. Are you twisting it? Okay. I told you to make you sneeze.
Oh.
Now, where's your tube? You got to do the other side.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Oh, that makes me sneeze.
Yeah, okay. Get it up here and twist. Ready?
Yeah.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000,
Oh my gosh.
10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13, 14. Okay. Now where's your little tube? Don't let it touch you. Don't let it touch you.
Oh gosh. Oh, that's disgusting. But isn't it? Oh god. Okay. Phew. Okay. Oh god. Okay.
1, 2, 3. One more then. No, one more then.
Put it in the other one then. Here. We'll do this one then. I just have to get a sample. You shouldn't be able to tear.
Oh.
I'll do it quick. It came out, but alrighty. Hopefully we got enough.
Oh.
Oh my god. And I stick it. Phew! Hang on. Don't let me laugh. Don't let me laugh. Wait, did you? Right, I want to do this. And then you stop it. So that's... Can I touch this part?
Yeah, just not touch the stuff that you're using. Alright, now you're going to use the same end as we put this.
Oh my god.
You're going to use the same end as the other knob.
Right, and make sure it doesn't touch anything, right?
Åh fy fan!
Don't make me laugh, don't make me laugh, don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh, it hurts. Oh my god, how do it really hurts? Right, you're done, you're done.
Okay, you did it. And that's how we know we did it right. That sneeze.